Square Fame Zimbabwe, welcome to our channel Zim Confessions and Deep Secrets. Kana kake kutanka kukuya nino channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Kana chingwa ka subscribe, but don't forget to comment and share this video. Nashibure Zimbabwe, takwigirai buditswa MaWar veterans buda challenge the government. They should take action rather than issuing threats on my citizens. The Zimbabwe National Liberation of Veterans Association, Babuda, the government should desist from threatening its people. Accused of carrying out subversive activities. So, yakabuditswa na Andreas Ethan Matibela Muswe Friday during Zvaaudza questions at the Bulawayo Media Center, Zimbabwe. The chairperson of the Zimbabwe National Liberation of Veterans Association, Matibela Vakabuda, the government must stop making idle threats against its people, but instead address the issues that are causing citizens to voice their discontent. Matibela after the Minister of Information, Publicity and Broadcasting Services, Jennifer Muswere Vakabuda, vachitaura ivo musi Friday vachiteretena vanhu vari kuengeja subversive activities vachitaura that their days are numbered. Vamuswere vaka-accuse the opposition and some politicians and certain civil society organizations of attempting to instigate anarchy and despondency. However, Matibela vakabuda vachitaura vachiti the government should deal with national issues rather than kuthreaten its imaginary enemy. We must deal with national issues. A security threat comes as a result of an uneven playing field by the government, where it partially accepts some and admits others as friends while deeming others as enemies. As long as there is that kind of subtle division, unity of purpose will not prevail. Matibela, MaWar veterans are not doing anything which is subversive, but they are demanding accountability from the government. Whatever we are doing is open. We invite all, including the security cluster, to attend our meetings because the agenda will be very clear. I trained for many years in security. I know the definition of subversion. For someone who is not pleased, someone who feels threatened, he or she will deem challenges as subversive. I think that is a misnomer. We are not threatening the government of this country, even the ruling party or any other political party in this country. All we are saying is that this country is not doing well economically, politically, socially, and we want to be part of the solution. We have even come up with some solutions to collaborate with the government. We wrote many letters. I recall one to the President, Amos Mnangagwa, to say we would want to work with the government. We were not responded. So in a statement, Raka Ishua, Zuru Vamsquare, Raka Buda, which accuser an unnamed opposition, a politicians and civil society organizations of attempting to foment a chaos in Zimbabwe, since they are being given money from foreign donors to revive their own careers. As government, we are warning perpetrators of these serial choreographed theatrics who are involved in subversive activities aimed at undermining the rule of law, that their days are numbered and that their lawless plans will never see the light of the day. Tozakabuda vachitaura vamuswere zvakare vafarai marapira vakabuda vachipa warning kuna gift Ostallos Siziba pamwe chete nana Amos Chibaya vachitaura ivo vachiti the law will take its course. Vakabuda mushure mekunge Amos Chibaya nava gift Ostallos Siziba vakabuda vachitaura vachiti kana vachitaura vachiti kana activists 79 akasungwa kusanganisira matimba akasabuditswa mujeri. They are going to form a protest vachitende futi zviri pamutemo izvozvo muZimbabwe. Tisingazivi kuti munoona sei nyaya iyi Mnangagwa vakabudawo zvakare vachipa warning kuvanhu vari kuronga maprotests aya. So mawo veterans azouya achitaura iwo achiti the government should look for solutions, will take actions rather than issue threats kuma citizens. Tisingazive kuti munoona sei nyaya iyi tiudzewo zvamuri kufunga pamusoro penyaya iyi yaburitswa nemawo veterans.
Basha dictatorship Basha. Basha Mnangagwa Basha. Basha ZANU-PF Basha. Basha dictatorship Basha. Shamisa oye. Maita basa organizer negweta redu. My citizens, thank you very much. Kuya kwa maita in solidarity. Isu our struggle ino oilwa nenyaya solidarity. Tinomira pamechede nema citizens edu akasungwa. Hativhunduki, ZANU-PF inoziva havana kuina sarudzo, havadiwi nevanhu. Chavanoziva kushandisa chera. Vari kuziziva message yangu yekupedzisira to ZANU-PF and all the headmasters of chaos. Musaprovoka vanhu. Nekuti kana tazodecide to invoke section 59 of the Zimbabwean constitution, toshandisa the streets as a point of entry to reject our display. Saka zivai vanhu vezanu kuti isu we are peaceful people. Asi don't provoke us, don't provoke the people of Zimbabwe. Maita basi.
Tiri pana patifuna kutaridza kuti tifari nezvikudi tiri tose here kusafara tifuna kurejista kusafara. Nyika ino haisi rezanu, nyika ino haisi kambani yezanu. Zimbabwe is not Mnangagwa dynasty. Inyika yevanhu. Nyaya dzokubunikidza vanhu dzofana kupera. Nyaya dzokubata vanhu nhapwa dzofana kupera. Nyika ino inyika yevanhu. Havana kuina ma-elections tsvagwa namukoma Ostallos. It's very true. So naizvozvo hatibvumi zvavanenge vachiita kuvanhu veZimbabwe. We must register our concern and hatidzivisiwi. Nyaya demo zvabvumidza mutemo zvirimo. Musavhunduka musahla. It's allowed. So hama dzadiwa musi Thursday. Ngati uye takati one day. Handizvo here. Totora chi vana vedu. Thank you very much for doing. Saka.
I'm fully aware that certain unruly elements, in collaboration with our detractors, have activated their perennial tendencies of seeking to disturb our security, peace, and prevailing tranquility environment in our country. They must be warned that my government will not broker any form of mischief under whatever pretext. The law will take its course without fear or favor. Atidi mhesva mukono todzisvasvanga